Guys, ito po yung panalunan ni Inday Morning Daily Vlog. Yan, unboxing ko na. Tapos ito po, yung extensive namin, yung may pera daw po to. Yan sa ilalim, guys. Hindi masyado. Maganda siya na bowl. Yan siya. Yan ang extensive gift namin sa 20. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching. Merry Christmas again. Thank you. I love you all. Thank you. Bye-bye.